We are back with our friends from Sesame Street, the iconic show that teaches children their ABCs and helps kids everywhere to grow smarter, stronger, and kinder.
Sesame Street, for the 42nd time, joins our street today. This season, a new animated segment, Abby's Amazing Adventures, will add some extra girl power to the most treasured street on television. And next year, the nonprofit educational organization will celebrate its 50th year of helping children all over the world.
Enjoy the Sesame Street song Plan the Play, performed by the cast, the Muppets, and Anika Noni Rose.
Plan the play, then play the plan. Plan the play, then play the plan. Plan the play, then play the plan. Plan the play. What are we going to play today? Just not like doctors or dance or ballet. We might be detectives on a big case, or astronauts walking out in space. Let's act like models and make a big splash, or pretend we're actors in a Broadway smash. Let's paint some paintings and make a museum. Invite all our friends up to see us. First, find the things you think you'll need. Then turn your roles, and once you've agreed, make a plan and now get to it. If you play it, you can do it. What are we gonna play today? Say, what are we gonna play? We can form our own make-believe band. We'll get together on a make-believe stand. Play along now, take it away. What are you gonna play today? Plan the play, then play the plan. You can do it, everyone can. Make a plan and now get to it.